I hope this thing's working. It didn't beep or anything, so we'll see. Oh, all right. So, welcome to Wreck Going Home. What we're doing today, with my boots out. Hey, up here. Up here. Hey, dumbass. Mr. Camera. Would you stop? What the fuck? Oh, look at that. Well, the camera's a dumbass. Hey, there we go. Hi, I'm here, you stupid fucking thing. Alright, so, all the way up there. That's what we're working on today. There's the vent. I mean, it's got flow. It's cool, but it's not cold enough. Right now, it's 70 in here. I got this one going full tilt, the one in the bedroom going full tilt. It's only 85 degrees outside, and it's struggling. So, wife wants it colder. Like everybody else, we've done our research and we look up on YouTube how to make your AC colder. And we've all seen the hacks, or the kits that you put up inside of these things. Well, we're going to do the hack because I'm cheap. I'm sorry. I don't want to spend so much fucking money on a piece of styrofoam to go up in there when I can just build one. No, it's probably not going to be as great. I don't give a damn. So, that's what we're doing today. Ripping into it, sealing it up. We've got a foil tape, we've got the construction foam, I got a roll of Reflectix, and we're going to roll with this shit. I might even have a few beers. So, let's do this. Here we go. Another day, another dollar. We are going to work on the AC. It's cooling, it's working. Just could be working better. Waiting for the package. So anyway, we're going to do the old RV plenum hack where you thermally seal it with the Reflectix and foil tape and the foam. You build a little thing up in there, and yay! So right now, I mean, it's 85 degrees here in Texas. We're on the Gulf Coast, just about 15 minutes from Galveston, 35 minutes from Houston. We're down in Texas City. So it's 85 degrees outside, 71 degrees inside. I've only got the bedroom going, so we're going to tear into this. We're going to get this done, and hopefully we can get it fixed. Now, you've all seen the videos. Follow me, you dumbass. Ooh. My gimbal likes to fuck up. Hang on. Identifying gesture. Hey, look. Alright, there we go. Now we're tracking. Are you tracking? I'm tracking. This thing's tracking. Alright, so I did a quick fix not too long ago. I got up in there with some tape, kind of sealed it off a little bit. It can be colder, so That's what we're doing today. Let me help if I got my fucking bit. Oh. Trying to get things done. Tomorrow's going to be a big day for us. I'm excited. You're going to have to wait for that video. Oh, we are excited. I'll just put it to you like this. You know, our little catchphrase is camping with cats and chaos. Let's just say, old Captain Josh, he's Team Kitten all the way. That being said, just meow. Alright, so this is the Dometic. I think it's the Duotherm. Oh, don't quote me out. It's one of those. All I know is wife wants it to flow better. So, yeah, I'm sure y'all have watched the same videos I have. You got 4 screws to hold the damn cover on. You need to be careful when you take these back plastic pieces off, because you can not only gouge them and scratch them, but you can actually do like I did on this one the last time I had it off. You're going to break off one of these little clips. And then it just, you know, you got to hide it from your wife, because if she sees that you broke one of those, she's going to be pissed. Now, if there's one thing I've learned after 20 years, don't piss off your wife. Especially if she's a better shot than you. Don't do that. Alright, so those are off. Alright, you're doing the cordless drill and get this shit off. There we go. I lied. There's 6 screws in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. So there's the rest of the bullshit. Okay, so here we go. We got the cover off. And boom. Look at that mess. Yeah. That's lovely. Let's see if we can get some light up in there. That's not going to let me. Alright, so we got to get up in there, and there's the barrier wall right up in there. We got to take that off. I get this plate off. Now, this plate, as you can see, these bolts right here, they go all the way through and attach to the unit on the roof. So you got to be very, very careful. You know, you don't want to separate your unit. You don't want to break that seal. So we're going to get all this out, because you see it's not holding very well. That side's kind of peeled out. So we're going to get this out and get it fixed, get it changed. Are you following me again? Are you recording? Oh, interesting. Got a mind of your own. Alright. Just trying to find the right size. Those are a little loose. You're not tracking me now? Make up your mind. Freaky thing. You're freaky. Freaky, freaky, freaky. Very freaky. I don't know if y'all have ever used that Osmo gimbal. It's got the auto tracking on it. I like the thing, I really do, but it starts and stops on its own. So when I think I've stopped the video, and like just now I walked over to get the right, bit, pull those bolts out, it started tracking me again. I'm like, creeping me out. Yeah, Mr. Gumble, you're creeping me out. I'm not even drunk. So it's even extra creepier. You can see the diverter plate didn't even fucking go in. It wasn't even there. Oh, you gotta see this shit. So we just got the plate down, and look how poorly that is sealed. I mean, same thing on this other side. Do you expect that to work? No, this is going to be ugly. All right, back to it. I'm just going to show you real quick what I've gotten so far. So what I've done is I've gotten the vent itself for the ductworks taped down, and that's the finished product. Yeah, I know it looks a little ugly and everything, but I left the TTO out because I'm gonna come back and I'm putting in the reflectors on top of this. So I got it all nice and snugged in. And what I did was, I'll show you on this side. Start off at the bottom. I got that in. I went to the sides, and what I do with the sides is I split it. I get an angle going to each corner and then straight down the middle to the top of that peak. Then I just fold everything in. And then I'm gonna come in and actually put some corner pieces in. Just kind of a little extra protection. After that, I'm gonna put in the Reflectix all the way around. I don't think there's enough room in there for the actual foam, but I might be able to get at least a piece up here to kind of tighten up the surface area, or the, the volume of that place, kind of decrease it so the air has some place to go rather than just kind of spinning around. We'll see. We made a mess. This is gonna happen. You're gonna get shit everywhere. So, but here we go. This is a finished project. Well, halfway finished. How about that? We got the Reflectix up. We need the full tape on all the sides, and we got it up into the vents for the ductwork, and now we're going to put the Reflectix up and probably finish it up from there. I don't know if I'm going to have enough room for the actual foam. There's not a lot of room up in there, so I think it's just going to be all Reflectix, and I'm just going to seal the living fuck out of it. So, yay! I gotta clean this mess up first. I got sticky shit everywhere. Alright, so I got ahead of myself. Kind of got things going. Well, there's the finished product. It is up in there. Yes, I know I gotta touch that up, and I gotta put a bit more foil tape, but it's in there. Just a little bit more foil tape there. I'm gonna go ahead and get that done and get this buttoned up. We're gonna give it a test run. We're gonna see how well this thing cools now. So, yay, it's done. All right, so it's 78 degrees in here right now. It's 87 outside. It's a little warm. It's done, it's buttoned up. I'm fucking hot. I'm cranking this thing up. We're gonna see how well it rolls. Here we go. It definitely sounds quieter. I don't know. It's pushing air. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna give it about an hour. I'm gonna get this stuff cleaned up, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna check the temp. It's already up to 79 now. It's getting hot, so it's on. Let's see if this works. Because if it doesn't,